Landshore Enterprises, LLC, with offices in Fort Lauderdale, Florida and headquartered in Venice, Florida, is a turnkey national design-build environmental company specializing in shoreline erosion control, repair and restoration challenges. Landshore uses non-structural, bioengineering, and biotechnical methods to fulfill the demands of our clients. This is a shoreline protection method using multiple rocks, normally made from limestone or granite, that are loosely placed together to stabilize shorelines. A good solution is typically clean fieldstone or quarry stone with a diameter of no less than 6 inches and no greater than 48 inches. It takes specialized equipment and operators to position riprap to ensure proper flow and shore protection. Landshore often adds a porous liner underneath the riprap to prevent washouts and destabilization during floods. Landshore Enterprises wishes to extend our warmest thanks to our clients. We deeply appreciate each customer. From our perspective, we feel our relationship is more of a special partnership than just a contract with a client. We work with each client in a way that is both communicative and constructive, and always appreciate comments and feedback to make us better at our job. We have the expertise, resources, technology, and collaborative insight to create designs and solutions that far exceed our clients' expectations. Due to our extensive experience in resolving various erosion problems around the nation, Landshore Enterprises is proud to guarantee complete satisfaction on all projects. Contact us today.